Okay, so we just got to the second resort that we're staying at. It's called Ocean 2 in Barbados. And so I'm gonna give you guys a little room tour. This room is literally bigger than John and I's apartment, so pretty crazy. Wait till you see the balcony. So this is the bedroom. So you walk in here and this is the bedroom. John's unloading our luggage right now. And yeah, a little TV, cute. Yeah, John's very OCD. Cute little bedroom, all you need. It's just where we're gonna be sleeping. And then come down the hallway. And the bathroom, just like the last hotel, is absolutely massive. Nice thing about this one is we have 2 sinks. So if anyone knows about sharing a space with a guy, I have too much stuff. So I like having 2 sinks, really nice. And then yeah, bathroom, the shower. Ooh, whoops, you go this way. It's huge, and it has a rain shower head. Love that. Okay, so now you go out, and you're in the hallway, and then you come out, and this is huge, like way bigger than our apartment. This is insane. So you have like a little kitchen, super cute, and there's like filtered water in it, which is nice. Oh yeah, we brought the rum from the last hotel. But yeah, so I don't know if we'll do any cooking, but we might. Little wine fridge. This is what the wine came in. But like full dining room table, which is crazy. I wish we had more friends with us. Yeah, living space, TV. Best part is this balcony. Oh my god, it's insane. So look at how big this is. Like we have a table, we can come in and eat breakfast out here, have a cup of tea, lounge, and this is our view. This is a little hotel. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, guys, look at the sky. It's literally so pretty. This place is truly like absolutely stunning. The whole island is in general. The last hotel, definitely more like families and stuff, because that one is way more expensive than this one. So if you were looking for like a really awesome tropical vacation but didn't want to spend a ton, this is definitely an awesome option. And yeah, you're getting like just as beautiful as a stay. I mean, our room is literally massive, beautiful ocean view. So yeah, if you're coming to Barbados, definitely check out these hotels because they're amazing. Like I never want to leave. I could move in here. It's bigger than my apartment, so I think I might. Okay, I seriously can't get over this view. Like, oh my gosh. This kind of stuff is literally what reminds me of like an Apple desktop like screensaver. If anyone knows what I'm talking about, it's just like so picture perfect. It literally looks like the sky is just like painted right now. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Oh, this is cute. What's this? Can we get out here? Ooh, look at this. Oh, little meeting room. Oh, this is cool. I don't know. A little roof. Yeah. I don't know what that was.
We're rushing.
We're brushing?
Rushing.
We're rushing? Oh yeah, we're rushing to try to get done. You didn't press the button.
To make,
you never do that. He always gets into elevators and literally just like doesn't. Stands there like someone else is gonna do it for him. It's so bad.
Because at work there's, which this is just sad, depressing, but you press the number before you get in.
Oh my gosh. Hi.
Self-remote?
Oh yeah. I get made fun of a lot for doing this.
Yeah, no, that's honestly why. It's because you press the number before you go up.
Yeah.
I mean, before you go in the elevator, and you get in the elevator, and it's all automatic.
Okay, so this is the outside part. There's a swim-up pool. Not swim-up pool, swim-up bar over there. Oh my gosh.
Swim-up
pool.
Wow.
Sorry guys, ooh, there's a shower too. I want like a really cool picture in an outdoor shower. I don't know if I'm gonna do it. Like,
this is nice.
Make it work. Yeah, it's actually really cool. Little outside seating. Oh, that's a restaurant over there too. Oh my god, look at this sky. Wow. Okay, I'm breaking out my camera. Can you? This.
Anything to say?
I'm gonna take a picture of the sky. We'll see if this works though.
Just looking. Is it working?
Yeah, it is. Okay, so that one right there is our room. This is the whole hotel. It's a nice little like boutique hotel, which is really nice because it's a little more private. So like this is like the whole beach area for the hotel because it's smaller. Do you like John's man purse? Great look.
I don't think my Wi-Fi's working. Can't get the location. Oh look at all the kayaks and stuff.
Yeah, I don't know if that stuff's free.
Just
wow. No, I was saying I don't know if you have to pay for that or not. At the last hotel you didn't have to pay for
I don't know.
the non-motorized. Yeah, maybe you don't.
I feel like you probably won't for that.
Yeah. Oh, wow, guys, this is literally so pretty. Oh, guys, kayaks, paddle boards, hobby cat. We went on the hobby cat last hotel. You saw that in the last video. So cool. Oh, this is so nice.
Should we just hijack the what are these called?
Hobby cat.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's called a hobby cat.
I've never heard that before.
I swear to God, that's what it's called.
I don't know. Should we jack it and just...
And go where?
I don't know, around the corner.
Run into pirates.
Yeah. Wow, that's pretty sweet.
Yeah, this is literally gorgeous. Wow.
Yeah, that'll be good. You can get your little...
Yeah, I really want... So see how... Let me see if you see them. Oh my God. It's like these, I don't know. These palm trees. Those ones, they're like leaning. I want a picture on like a leaning palm tree. Wouldn't that be so cool?
Do you think that's like an open bar? Like, no,
I think that's someone's house.
Yeah.
I think that's like a house next to
maybe
the hotel. I don't know though. Okay, I think we're gonna go up to the rooftop soon.
Yeah.
So I'm so sad, guys, to be leaving. Absolute paradise today. This trip has been absolutely incredible, so amazing, and it's so sad that we have to leave. I really wish we could just move in, but we have to get back to reality, back to real life. This has truly been like an absolute dream vacation. So as you've seen in like the vlogs and stuff so far, and I don't really know when this one is going up, there might be more after this. There actually probably will be. So like our adventure in like Barbados, that will be after this one, I think. But it's truly been like absolutely amazing. And you guys got to see 2 incredible hotels on Barbados. So basically the Seabreeze Hotel was the all-inclusive hotel, and Ocean 2 is just like the standard hotel, but we have like the massive room like you saw. So I think it's cool that you guys got to see both, because basically staying in an all-inclusive, like you're gonna be staying at the resort more. So if you're looking to like explore the island more or get out and do more things, maybe stay at a place like Ocean 2. Or if you love like the all-inclusive, which like we absolutely loved it, it was amazing, definitely stay at Seabreeze because it's a great deal for like everything you're getting. And you're getting a stunning brand new gorgeous hotel. And then yeah, if you want just like a normal hotel but you want a big room where you can have kitchen and everything, Ocean 2 is absolutely amazing. And we've loved staying here because we've gotten out and explored more of the island, which has been great. So it's a little stormy on our last day, which is fine because then it's like more of an excuse to leave, I guess. Maybe, not really. I don't care if it's raining here, I just want to stay. But yeah, so now we're going to pack up everything. And we don't have to leave till like noon, 12:45, but I don't know if the sun's gonna come back out before then. I hope so, because I have crazy tan lines on my back because we went horseback riding yesterday, so really hoping we can even those out today.